Not a thing left on the trailer, and the forklift is going home. And then when we turn around and we look inside our beautiful little factory, you can see it's all packed in here. Here's our vertical hydrogen oven, pin base maker. We have here a bulb maker and a stem setter for the small valves. We have a bulb maker and a stem setter for the big valves. We have, as we sneak through here, we have the sealing machines and then the evacuation machines. We come over here, we've got another base maker. Then we get to here, we have our mica press.
And if you get to
we
the
have
kitchen,
some
you've got a cup of coffee.
Yes, get doing it. We have our horizontal ovens and of course our 3 grid winders that you all know and love. Did forget to mention that the heritage lathe is still underneath the steps to the mezzanine floor. And as you can see, the new mezzanine floor, because I've run up the stairs, is now very much filling up with stuff. This is just temporarily parked here. It is actually going to go out onto the main floor. Main floor now has our big sintering oven. It is very heavy, especially at the rear end. You can see we've put some extra beams to spread the load, and we're actually checking the deflection in the floor. At the moment we've got a 5mm deflection, but it's right the way across the length, and we think that was there before we started. As we come round, we have Derek the Dalek sitting with his weight spreading feet at the moment, and we've kept him propped up just in case we need to move him again. And then of course we have some of our activation racks, store cupboards. We have our sleeve welder in the corner here, which is another piece of heritage gear made in London. Lovely little spot welders, as you can see. We have this test rig that was made originally for Thorney MI and been used by Brimar and many other people by its plates. And this will become our crackle and scratch test. Then as we come along here to the workbenches that we put in, we have some more spot welders, but more importantly, these are the activation panel pieces that you've probably seen the tweets already that have gone out. They're busy constructing all the backbones, etc., so that we can then put these out as piecework for some of the volunteers to do at home. And as I turn 180 degrees, here that massive wire spaghetti, the magic spaghetti tree, is of course the activation rack. And then we come through, we have some of the ovens, and that concludes the tour of the top and bottom floors of Tungsten Works. Thank you for listening.